Hello viewers, welcome to the top 5 segment of JK News Point. This is your host Harshvardhan Singh. So let us begin our segment with the first news. Rejecting Pakistan's efforts to create a false narrative about abrogation of Article 370, hundreds of Gujars, Bakarwals and other Kashmiri sightseers from Kupwara, Tangdhar and Handwara on Wednesday celebrated Bangas Awam Mela to commemorate the first anniversary of scrapping of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. The annual fair saw participation with great fanfare for 2 days since it kicked off on Monday. Rustic games like horse racing, sheep herding, tug-of-war and wood chopping competitions were organized on the first day, in which the Gujar Bakarwal communities participated actively.
बोकट बंगस अवाम मेला जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ये 2013 से चल रहा है और आप लोगों को मालूम है कि यहाँ पे इस समर सीजन में बहुत से लोग हैं जो अपनी बहकों में यहाँ पे आते हैं और तकरीबन 3-4 महीने रहते हैं और उनके लिए जो बेसिक सुविधाएं हैं, मेडिकल की हो, वेटनरी कैंप हो, डॉक्टर्स को बुला के उनको जो सारी सहूलतें हैं वो मुहैया करवाना इसका मेन मकसद है और उसके साथ साथ बढ़ावा देना कि यहाँ पे जो यूथ है वो विलेज गेम जो होती हैं उनको उनमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें, बच्चे जो है उनमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकें और पूरा का पूरा जो माहौल है वो थोड़ा खुशनुमा हो, वातावरण में खुशहाली हो, लोग यहाँ पे आके एंजॉय करें.
A curfew was imposed across the valley on Tuesday as authorities apprehended violent protests in view of plans by separatists and Pakistan-sponsored groups to observe August 5, the first anniversary of revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special status, as Black Day. Police and CRPF personnel were deployed in strength across the valley to ensure that the plans of the separatists do not disturb the peace of valley. Police vehicles fitted with public address systems went around localities announcing imposition of strict curfew for 2 days. An order issued by Srinagar District Magistrate Shahid Iqbal Chaudhry said any such mass gathering would also be detrimental to efforts related to COVID-19 containment. Chaudhry said the movement and assembly of people have been prohibited to avoid the spread of infection, particularly in the wake of a recent spike in cases. Ayodhya witnessed a historic moment on Wednesday with the Bhumi Pujan for a grand Ram Mandir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a plaque to mark the laying of the foundation stone and also released a commemorative postage stamp on the Sri Ram Mandir Janmbhoomi. Modi had returned to Ayodhya after 29 years on Wednesday for the Bhumi Pujan for a grand Ram Mandir at the site that was disputed for decades. Dressed in a golden kurta and white dhoti, Modi arrived in the temple town by chopper. He performed prayers at various sites before laying a 40 kg silver brick to mark the start of the Grand Temple. Soil from more than 2,000 pilgrimage sites and water from more than 100 rivers was brought for the rituals.
पूरा देश रोमांचित है, हर मन दीपमय है. आज पूरा भारत भावुक है. सदियों का इंतजार आज समाप्त हो रहा है. करोड़ों लोगों को आज ये विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा होगा कि वो अपने जीते जी इस पावन दिन को देख पा रहे हैं. महानुभावों, बरसों से टाट और टेंट के नीचे रहे हमारे रामलला के लिए अब एक भव्य मंदिर का निर्माण होगा. टूटना और फिर उठ खड़ा होना सदियों से चल रहे इस व्यतिक्रम से राम जन्मभूमि आज मुक्त हुई है.
BSP Supremo Mayawati on Wednesday credited the Supreme Court for paving the way for its construction in Ayodhya and advised all to accept the decision. Taking to her Twitter handle, she wrote, "Ayodhya is a holy city of different religions, but it had been embroiled in a controversy for years due to Ram Mandir Babri Masjid land dispute. The dispute was ended by the Supreme Court and it has also stopped the politics around it played by some political parties to some extent," Mayawati said in a series of tweets in Hindi. Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh on Wednesday dug out an adorable childhood picture of himself. The gully boy actor took to Instagram to treat his fans to the picture that features him sitting and posing with the signature smiling face. He kept the caption simple yet descriptive of his life mantra as he wrote, "Style mein rehne ka." Fans of the 35-year-old actor left scores of comments on the picture as they gushed over little Ranveer in the picture. The Bajirao Mastani actor is often delighting his fans with such throwback and recent pictures of himself on Instagram. Well, that is all for today. See you until next time. Have a good day.